Have you ever gone to undo a bolt and it's rounded off, it's slipped, you just can't get it undone? In this video, we're going to show you how to deal with that. Let's get to it. You've gone to undo a nut or a bolt like that, and you know something, the head's just sheared. You've slipped off of it, or it's just old and it's sheared off. So, I mean, like this, for instance, you can see I've undone this one, that's fine. Went to undo this one, and look, it's all rounded off. I can't do anything with it. What am I going to do? That's when we get these special tools out, the extractor tools out. So let's have a quick look. So you can see the extractor tools, when they go in, they kind of lock themselves into it, and I've got all the different sizes. So I'm going to show you doing this today. So we're going to hammer this in a second, then we're going to get the tool on it and we're going to wind it back out. So let's just hammer it in place so it goes right home to where it needs to be. So you can see that's right in there now, and now we're going to get the tool on it and try to wind it back out. So let's have a go. I'm going to turn the steering wheel a little bit, give me a little bit more space. Okay, I've given myself a bit more space now. Now hopefully, you've just seen that stud come off of there. So you saw it rotating there. Let's have a see what we get. Did we get it out? Put a bar in the end. Because obviously the problem we had was we couldn't change this nut out, could we? Because obviously it had gone, it was broken. So has this succeeded? Feels like it. There you go, look. Just with a simple tool, we've managed to get that out of there, and we can now replace that nut. So all is not lost. Okay, so we know that works. So this lovely little tool grips hold of this nut, and it's actually helped us take it off. We will put this in a vise in a little minute, and we will put some a chisel down there and just chisel that back out, and it will come out and we'll be able to reuse it. So all the other bolts come out perfect, apart from this one that obviously rounded off. So we can now replace it with a brand new one, and that is the job jobbed. We'll grip that nice and firmly, make sure it's done up nice and tight. We're going to get our screwdriver in the end, and there goes. It's just rolled all the way across my workshop, but there goes the old bolt, and you can see how much it chews it up. But one absolutely naffed bolt and one replaced. Well, if you found this video useful, please do hit that subscribe button and leave me a like. And if you actually use this process and it worked for you, hey, why not leave me a comment and say thanks. We'll see you in a video very, very soon. Take care.